Hi, this video is for DU LL.B Crash Course 2020. The most awaited course. Every year we run this program. In just 15 days, innumerable of people have already made it to faculty. I can post a lot of testimonials from students. So as you know, amid this lockdown, we might not be able to meet physically. We might not be able to conduct classes with huge number of students. So I'm posting this to inform you that very soon I'll be up with class dates, class schedules, how much it is going to be done and how it is going to be proceeded. But अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं शायद इस बार ज़्यादा बच्चे ना पढ़ा पाए हम लोग. इस बार हम बहुत लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स को टारगेट कर रहे हैं एंड आई मेक श्योर दैट द डिजर्विंग कैंडिडेट शुड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. So I'm sharing a Google form link with you right now. You just don't need to pay anything. I'm just sharing this Google form link with you. You just fill it. We make sure that whenever the dates are out, whenever we are out with the schedule, whenever we are out with the registration process, these people who have filled this form will be given first priority and seats. Okay. We will close this registration as soon as we reach our threshold point. So if you think any of a friend or anybody around you wanted to register with us for 15 days DU LL.B crash course, please do it right away. I might close registration within 24 hours. You never know, because we are allowing very limited number of seats this year. See you very soon. I'm sure that this year again we will be able to bring all these students with us to the faculty itself. So see your name in the Google form list. See you. Bye bye.